Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you forgot your lock screen password to your Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro tablet. Now, in case you can't remember your password, then the best solution would be to reach out to Samsung customer support service and tell them about your issue. And if you can prove the ownership of your tablet to them, for example by showing them a receipt from the store where you bought it, or maybe by showing them a box card from this tablet, they'll be able to help you out with your problem and will help you regain access to your device without removing any data from it. Now, if this option isn't available for you, you can perform a factory reset operation on your tablet, and there are several ways that you can do this. If you want to perform a factory reset operation locally, you can access the recovery mode on your tablet. However, for this case, we have a separate video on our channel explaining how to perform factory reset operation to the recovery mode on Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro, where we explain everything step by step so you don't get lost and you do everything right. Once the factory reset operation is completed, all data will be erased from your tablet. However, you'll be able to set it up as a new device once again. Now, if you want to perform a factory reset operation remotely, you can use any other device that has internet access on it, and also you need to either have a Samsung account linked to your tablet or a Google account linked to your tablet. If you do have at least one account linked to your tablet, then if you have a Samsung account, you're gonna have to open the SmartThings Find website by Samsung, sign into your Samsung account, then select this device from the list, and under Protect My Device section, you're gonna have to click on Wipe My Device, select Factory Data Reset, and once the Factory Data Reset is performed, you'll be able to regain access to your device once again. And if you have a Google account, however, connected to your account, you're going to have to enter the Find Hub website instead, the Find Hub by Google, then go to the devices list, and on the devices list, find your Galaxy tablet. Oh, here it is. Tap on it and select Factory Reset Device. And once the factory reset operation is performed, as I said, you'll be able to start the setup and set your device up as a new tablet. Okay, now one last thing. If you do remember your password, if you do remember the password that worked for you the last time you tried to access this tablet, but it doesn't seem to work now, then it might be because of some third-party application is affecting the way that your lock screen behaves. And in such case, in order to get rid of this application, first we're gonna have to enter the safe mode and try to enter the password there and see if it works. And in order to enter the safe mode, you're gonna have to press and hold the power button and volume down key. Wait until the power menu appears on your screen. And once it appears, keep holding down both of these keys until the power menu disappears. In a couple of seconds, the Samsung logo will appear on your screen instead. And after the secured by Knox appears too, wait for a couple of seconds and then start holding down the volume down key by itself. And keep holding it until your device is fully booted. Sometimes it doesn't work at the first attempt, so you may have to try it a couple of times more. And eventually you will get into safe mode, which has a safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of the screen. Now try to re-enter your password in the safe mode, and in case it works for you this time, before trying to figure out what application could have caused this, you have to first open settings on your device, and in settings scroll down to security and privacy, then select lock screen. Provide your current password once again, tap continue, and then select either swipe or none. And after that, you can safely restart your tablet by pressing the power button and volume down key at the same time. Once the power menu appears on your screen, select restart, and then you'll be able to use your device once again. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.